Good morning students. Today we will study division by two-digit number with check. Check your answer. How to divide the two-digit number. Then before we study, you learn the formula. How to check the number. First, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. How to check your answer? Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. First we divide this number, okay? 745 divided by 4. First you divide this number. 745 divided by 4. 1 times 100. How many place? 100 place. We start with 100 place. The table of 4, how many times go in 7? How many times gone? 1 time. Okay. 4. Then subtract 3. Then this 4 come in downside. Now our number is 34. The table of 4 how many times come? 8 times, then 32. Then 2, 0. Which number come in downside? 5 come in downside. Then now our number is 25. The table of 4 how many times come here? 6 times 24. Then subtract. Then our quotient, our formula dividend is equal to, that is 745 is equal to divisor. Divisor means 4. 4 multiply. Quotient. Quotient means 186. Plus remainder. Remainder means here 1. Again dividend is equal to, dividend means this number. Dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now multiply this. 186 multiply 4. First you multiply this number. 744 plus 1. Then 745. Here also 745. Then both numbers are same. In study in higher class, LHS. LHS means left hand side is equal to RHS. That is right hand side. You study in higher class. That is in 6th, 7th, 8th class. Then both LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore, our answer is correct. Understand you? This is check. This is not, you don't afraid this. This or 745 is equal to 745. You first you divide. Then the formula is dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. First you divide, then you multiply, your divisor is 4, then your quotient 186, then your remainder is 1. First you multiply these two, then you add the answer of these two, then 1 remainder add. Now our topic is division by 2-digit number. Division by 2-digit number. 3415 divided by 12. This is 2-digit number. First you divide. First you divide. Here, table of 12, how many times go in 3? Not go. You take next digit also, first time we take. Now, table of 12, how many times gone in 34? How many times? 2 times. 2 times 24. Then subtract. 4 take away from 4 is 0. 2 take away from 3 is 1. Now which number come in downside? 1 come in downside. Now our number is 101. How many times gone? 8 times. 96. Again you subtract this number. 6 take away from 1. This is possible? No. You take a borrow. Then you this cut 9. This cut 0. Here 11. Okay. Then 6 take away from 11, you get a 5. Then left are zeros. Then next, which number come in downside? 5 come in downside. Now our number is 55. Okay. Then table of 12, how many times come in 55? How many times come in? 4 times. 48. Now subtract this. 8 take away from 5. This is possible? No. You take borrow this cut 4. This cut 15. Then now our 70. Our quotient is 284, remainder is 7. Understand? 2-digit number. Then now, how to solve the weight problems? Listen. The cost of 13 pencils, rupees 65. The cost of 13 pencils, rupees 65. Find the cost of 1 pencils. Look here, the cost of 13 pencils, rupees 65. Find the cost of 1 pencil. Here many given, you find a 1. Many given, you find a 1. That is divide. One more question. The cost of 1 pen rupees 40. Find the cost of 15 pence. In both questions, you first read the both questions. Here the cost of 1 pen, 1 given, many find you. 1 given, many find. Here many given, 1 find. Understand you? Here many given, 13 pencil is many, बहुत सारे 1 से ज़्यादा 13. Here 1 find. Here 1 given, एक ही given, then 15 find, many find. This question is divide. This question is multiply. How to identify you? Many given.